Greetings, members, one and all of the Salivation Nation. Well, the day has arrived. Very excited. It is a package from the United States Mint. It is the 2018 proof Palladium Eagle inside of this box right here. We're going to open it up together and see what we've got here. Let's pull out the material here and see what we've got. Do a couple of precise surgically placed cuts. We can open this thing and derive the contents therein. All right. Very cool. These were limited to one per order from the United States Mint. And a couple of styrofoam packaging here. And here it comes. Now, there it is. Very interesting. Now, this does not come with an outer sleeve, surprisingly enough. Typically, packages from the U.S. Mint or coins do come with an outer sleeve. This one does not. But that's okay. We're going to take a gander at this thing a little closer. Here, there it is. The United States Mint American Eagle 1 ounce Palladium proof coin. There it is. There's a certificate of authenticity. 2018 American Eagle 1 ounce. You've seen some other unboxings of this on other channels already. People have received these really quickly. The U.S. Mint did a good job sending these out. There's a certificate of authenticity, and I believe this may be maybe the first or second with David Ryder's signature on it. On a certificate of authenticity. Very cool. And this is the first that we see this kind of silvery color for the case. Very nice. There's the coin itself. Very cool looking. Let's pull it out here and take a closer look, shall we? Inspect it. Seems to be very nicely struck there. Proof finishes on it. I'm looking at it through the camera's lens. I'm not looking at it directly, as is typically the case in these unboxings, but that is just very well done. And as you know, any coin from the United States Mint will have a coin turn, which means you flip it this way. And here's the reverse. Beautiful. A lot of people like this reverse. It is reminiscent of the walking eagle. This is actually the design from the Institute of Architects design, the American Institute of Architects gold medal design, which is very similar to the Walking Liberty eagle. Very, very nice indeed. Reeded edge, a little thicker than usual because this is a high relief coin, but a wonderful rendition of the Adolph Weinman Winged Liberty design that we commonly refer to as a Mercury dime. Liberty. Beautifully done. Very pleased with this. Very, very nice indeed. And one thing you will notice, as is the case with the legislation, I was reminded by a viewer that every year they make these in proof to the best possible way. The Secretary shall designate a different kind of finish on this proof. And in this case, we are seeing an example of that. Liberty appears to have a thicker type of frosting. So it appears to be on the obverse of this, there are two different levels of frosting, at least from what I can see. It's a bit smoother on the actual face and a bit rougher and coarse and thicker on the lettering, which is pretty cool. And on the reverse of the coin, you can see that the branches, the lettering, and the ground from which the eagle is perched has a thicker frosting, and the eagle itself has a finer type of frosting to differentiate it. And I like that. I like that they did that. And that gives them some options for next year to maybe apply different levels of frosting in a manner different than is on the 2018 proof. A very nice design. This is, without a doubt, the hottest coin of 2018. This is already out of this, before it even was listed on the Mint's website for sale. I mean, it was listed, but not for sale. It was already selling for much higher premiums. Many dealers out there were offering to pay $100 or to scratch or something. It appears to be on the case. I'm hoping it's on the case. You know, it might be on the coin. There's a scratch right there, I just noticed. Let's pull it out of the case. I don't typically like to do this, but I'm going to do it for measure. Boy, that's a pretty big scratch there, too, that I noticed. Kind of difficult to get this out of the coin. But anyways, the certain bullion dealers were offering anywhere between $100 to $225 and upwards of $400 from Modern Coin Mart. And through a special deal through Silver Bean Counter, you could have gotten $600 for this coin with no risk other than shipping. Not able to get this thing out. But there is, appears to be a scratch on the coin, which is unfortunate because if I went to send this thing back, I doubt there would be another one to replace it. As of the recording of this video, they have not completely sold out, which they may have some set back for returns, but I fear if I send this back to get a return, I'll get one with another scratch on it or some other flaw. So I'll just keep this one. That's the problem with these low mintage coins. You're kind of stuck with what you've got. I'm hoping that's just a hair or something on there, but nonetheless, it's a beautiful coin. Aside from that, as was the case with the Uncirculated coin, a very nice coin indeed. And now, one thing that I will make note of, if I can find one here, is find where I placed this. Hold on, I'm gonna set that down for a moment. I'm going to try to locate something here, if I can find it. Let's see here. Because I want to show how this looks in comparison to a silver-proof coin, so that you can see the difference. Because upon glancing at it, it may just look like silver. But let's take a look here and the difference between a silver coin and a palladium coin. And you can see it's not as noticeable, but I can see it through the lens of the camera. The difference. Silver is definitely more brilliant. And actually, it's more beautiful in my opinion, as the appearance of the metal compared to the palladium coin. You can see that difference there. I think in my opinion, the silver is more beautiful as far as the reflectivity and the brilliance of the piece than the palladium. Palladium, like platinum, is considered a dull metal. I mean, they obviously polish it up so that it is a mirror finish and the like. It does have a more of a clean kind of appearance to it, but technically it's a duller metal. And in proof version, the silver stands out between the two. But nonetheless, let's get a little closer detail look at the eagle side here, so that you can see the immaculate quality that the Mint has really taken the time to show off here. This coin is going for quite a premium. Yea, though, I will not be sending mine in for grading or selling it, as because I consider myself a collector and I'm not a flipper. A foolish, probably move by many of you out there, but I just like to collect coins. What can I say? So there you go. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I am sorry for those of you who tried to get one of these but were not able to obtain one. I'm amazed that people were able to get other people to buy one in their stead to put that much money in their credit card. But it is what it is. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'd like to extend a multitude of gratitude, y'all, for watching, and encourage you to please rate, comment, and subscribe.